Hi! In front of me is Lenovo Tab M7 and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing features available on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down right away. Then select System. Now click on Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Revert. Finally, just click on Text Correction. As you can see, all typing features are available over here. If you wish to switch on or off one of them, just click on the switcher next to the chosen one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!